Welcome to the BookAMed OET series. In this segment, we will shed light on the effective use of simple connectors. Have you wondered about the significance of simple connectors? Let's delve into their role. What are simple connectors? Simple connectors, also known as conjunctions, are words employed to unite two segments of a sentence. Some common examples include and, but, or, later, as, to, and because. How should you use simple connectors in your OET writing tasks? You can use simple connectors in the middle of a sentence. For instance, the patient has been following the recommended diet, but their blood sugar levels remain slightly elevated. Avoid commencing sentences with simple connectors. Instead, opt for more formal alternatives. For instance, instead of also, consider additionally. Substitute so with therefore. Swap but for however. By using simple connectors strategically, you will craft more polished and refined OET writing. Stay tuned to BookAMed OET series for more insightful guidance. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookamed.com and we will call you.